Good morning. All right, I'm going to move this over. It is Thursday, March 9th. Let me share this with a group. La-di-da-di-da. La-di-da-di.
Order submitted.
All right, where are we at? I'm going to bring slow into the picture because it's been doing pretty well. It's green $600.
Order canceled.
Oh, now it's green $400 since last night. I just see how many trades it's taken though. Oh, my charts are a little off. Let me move this over a bit. There we go. I'll move this one over. Oh, I didn't turn on my stock stuff. Let me do that. Do. Nice pullback here. Really nice move up from the jobless claims report. Okay. Oh, they're already in trades.
Order submitted.
I need to turn this volume down. Sorry, our student call went over today. It was like a good 40 minutes. So we had a lot of good information. So still green, 600. Oh, it just caught that short. So I'm going to focus on slow. Let me rename this. What was the nickname I gave this yesterday? It was actually pretty funny. It was like triple something. What did I call it? I don't even know. Good morning, Justin. Please give a thumbs up as you come in. I have Santa off to the side. I have YM Santa off to the side. I have gold off to the side. 2 of my 3 stock plays are already in trades because I forgot to set them up, which is frustrating, but whatever. All right, I'm going to get on TikTok here too because I got on kind of late yesterday. I still have this cold, whatever, COVID or whatever it might be. Oh, I was going to tell this funny story in the student thing this morning, and then I forgot. But it was about last night. I had some ginger ale. I love ginger ale. And then I was like, wait, I can't taste the ginger. And I was like, oh my gosh, do I have COVID? So, yeah, that's it. I'm testing something else, so my oil is in a long here. Well, slow missed this long. This would have been really nice. Good morning, good morning. It's Thursday. The market just opened 4 minutes ago, so we'll see what we have going here. Really nice push up. This is exactly what we talked about in my student call. I hope you guys got this pullback. Beth just said, amazing call, Lauren. New highs. Ah! All right. Good morning. Good morning. So I'm in a long of oil. I'm not in this long of NQ, but like all of my students are. Is slow in anything? Slow's not in anything here. Still green, $500 on the day. Yes, definitely for the win, Jen. Gary got it 10 contracts deep. Nice job. Damn, Bess is green $2,200 on one contract. That's awesome. Oh, I love this for you guys. Oil is green in this long. This is slow. It's it's not producing at the moment, but it's still green 500 since last night. Somebody mentioned it. I'm green 180 on oil. Almost at my first target. This is the first trade on my new Algo that I'm testing. I'm so excited. I wonder if Andy joined the call this morning. I'm getting such good feedback about the morning calls, and it hit target on one of them. I still have one to hit target. I'm getting such good feedback on the morning calls. This is NinjaTrader 8. That's the one I recommend. Oh, but I have not taken the new update. So I don't use NinjaTrader 7. There's either 7 or 8. I use 8, but then they did an update over the previous weekend. Slow's getting chopped up now. And I did not take that update yet. I've heard there's a lot of issues with it. These levels are totally off. Where do I have that in my student breakdown? Y'all, we had an amazing 40-minute student call this morning. I don't know. I can't say enough about it. I feel like I'm really getting the students to just focus on the things that they need to be prioritizing and trying to get rid of all the noise in the background. So target is 12,290. That's literally exactly where I put this. This is the ultimate target, and it's gone to 85. It was only 5 points from the ultimate target. I've had so many people tell me that what they learned before, or whoever taught them before, we're in this short here on slow, just taught them essentially nothing, because the stuff that they're learning now is so beneficial that whatever they were taught before is just the most basic information. Welcome. If you're new here, I go live every day from 9:30. Oh yeah, fast flipper, Justin. Thanks, Justin. Please give a thumbs up as you come in. If you're on TikTok, please tap that screen. Tap. So Slow has given back a lot of its profit. One of my stock setups, it took a loss there. I wonder what it tried to trade. I feel like I don't have enough. If I extend my VPS across both of my monitors, then I have enough room to see everything at once. But typically I just have charts on top of charts. All right. So, no. Has Santa taken any trades? Nope. Nothing for Santa yet. Nothing for YM. Just kind of basing here. Our ultimate target is 5 points away. We've already gotten so much of that. Yep, I do a morning call every single day with my students from 8:45 to 9:15. Oil's back in the green. We've been doing it now for 6-8 weeks. It's been a while. All right, ultimate target was hit. I do a whole pre-market breakdown of the NASDAQ, what I'm looking for, what I'm hoping to see, and it's amazing. It's only for students, but I've been doing it now for the last 6 to 8 weeks. And my students are saying that it's super, super helpful. Slow is not in the short, but Santa is. I'm going to bring Santa in the front. Santa's in the short. This is a perfect short off of that rejection. Like, amazing. I know Mike is in this. Oh, I was too slow. I was trying to get a picture of it. I gotta pin this on here. What's this? Pepe just had me do that a minute ago. Of course, I haven't been ends in 9 weeks. What? I don't know what that means. Not sure. My oil trade hit target on both of the contracts. On the first target, the second target's at $77.79, and it's currently green $70 on the third contract. Yeah, the morning calls are amazing. On Monday, because of the student morning call, my students caught a 100 point long, and then on Tuesday we caught a 100 point short, and then today we pulled back to what, like 35? Is that where they got it? 35 up to 90. Just say 40 to 90. 50 points today. Yeah, pretty good. Carla said that was a nice call out. I was able to catch most of it. Nice. Yeah, don't get distracted, Bess, for sure. Still in that oil trade. Oh, ES is also in a long on this new setup. We'll see what happens there. Slow's in a trade. Slow's in a short. All right, sorry. Hi. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. Pretty much all of my charts, unless if it's something different, I'll specify that, but I'm hyper-focused on, I was a student 9 weeks ago. I'll be back. It's Sam. Oh, cool. Yeah, started doing morning calls. I'm going to... Oh, oil is about to hit the full target here. It's green $250. Remember, I told you my target was $77.79. We're at 78. One more tick. And then this will be a $500 trade. The robot is $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. There we go. See, Karan, why we I'm still waiting for this. Oh my gosh, my oil was so close. It didn't fill yet. ES is also green on this long, $150. I only have one contract on that. Now it's at $175. Again, this is a new algo that I'm testing out. Monday. Really, from here, do you see this touch on the chop zone? This is how important the chop zone is. 12,212. We're now at 312. That's 100 points, guys. This is the play that most of my students got on this pullback because we talk about this all day long. So if you want to make 100, we had a 100-point long on Monday, 100-point long on Tuesday. I mean, 100-point short on Tuesday and 100-point long today. That's $2,000 each day on one trade. That's $6,000 on the week for 3 days. Oil is about to hit. I wonder which one was that. I also have stocks running, so I'm kind of confused. Like, not confused. I'm just looking at a bunch of stuff. Come on, oil. All right, oil finally hit. Let me show you this oil breakdown. This is the new algo that I'm testing. Why did I do historical? Historically, it's like $7,000. I think that's what, like, the last 5 days. All right, real time. Real time on oil, $500. Again, this was with 3 contracts. So I had 3 contracts, 2 on target 1 and then 1 on target 2. And it made $500. This is the only trade so far today. ES is in a very similar trade. Oh, ES already hit target for $250. We are still moving up. This was the long that we took in my student group right here. Right here. Do you see that touch? 12,212. We are now at 320. YouTube. Carly said, good morning, Lauren. If you're not in the mentorship, you're missing out on life and some good friends. That's true, too. Carter, are you on TikTok? You guys, what are you always typing? It depends. So I just had a student reach out to me, and he's like, I don't have the video from last week. And I said, yes, you do. I emailed it to you. And then I was like, did you do your homework? Because he has to add all these levels to his chart. He was like, oh, I used it off the manual alerts. I was like, what do you mean manual alerts? Manual alerts are not giving you the levels. You need to go through and do the levels on your own. That's what I've been typing. And someone in the student corner asked about a kind of play that he had. So I was answering him. I'm definitely not telling you where I'm located. That's creepy. Who says stuff like that? Okay, Alex. That's why we stay with the trend. It's so nice. Do you hear my stuffy nose? I am now a sorcerer. Sorcerer. So, oil's green 500. ES is green 250. Oh, is that Santa? Slows in another trade here. Slows in a short. Yeah, there's not much that we need over there, Carter. But thank you. What are you going to do of? Gary had 10. We're in this short on slow. Gary had 10 contracts. Well, I want to see what he did because he definitely at least got 50 points there. Santa and slow are both in shorts. If you guys have any questions or you want more information, just email me. And Gary definitely printed. But he was saying if he held it a little longer, he would have had like a Kenny day. Which is true. But now you can see that it was good. Again, we can't be results oriented. That's like one of the biggest things I tell my members. Also, YM is now in a short, so we're getting a nice little pullback here. So we're green, $300. You can see, so this is a trailing stop. This is the hard stop loss. Did you see how the trailing stop just took me out? Santa's being manually managed, but yes. It's green. It's 1 for 1 so far, 75. It's also in this short green, $160. Santa is. 170. So, but do you see how the stop loss already moved itself down? But if you're using an Apex account, Apex is still doing an 80% off sale. So a lot of people that are running Apex will then take the stop loss and move it down. So then they don't have a whole bunch of unrealized. To be a student, you pay a one-time fee of $1,200. You get 16 one-hour videos. You get 1 month in the group included, which again provides you with the morning calls. You get manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. You get this chop zone every day. You get this LIS level every day. So yeah. I think, let me know if that answered your question, millennial. You could also email me and I can send you more detailed information, but I think that's pretty much it. You get access to the student channel where the students will also talk about trades that they see setting up, and you'll start to learn who's kind of more experienced first. Not, YM is still in this short. Green, $65. See, Santa's kind of curling up here. Santa, I don't have anything in this area. The next level I have is 356. Please tap the screen or give a thumbs up if you're in YouTube. There's 50 of you in YouTube and there's only 16 likes. All right, let's take our focus over to YM because it is in this short and it's green, $120. So again, this is the hard stop up here in the purple. And then the thin red and green lines, those are that's the trailing stop. Johnny, you're taught that in the mentorship. Because even if I told you, it wouldn't matter because you're not going to find it anywhere on the internet. But it's just line in the sand. The people would always ask, like, years ago, and then they would look, like, everywhere. Like, you look all over the internet. You're never going to find it. Because I have the power. And the chop zone. This is money, money, money. Do you see how it came right back to the LAS here? I think it was actually at, like, 31 or something. I didn't move it today. I need to move it. Let's see. It's in the manual alerts channel. 12... Oh, actually, I was in the right area. Never mind. There we go. That's the right spot. Johnny, you got to get that mentorship. YM is still in this short for $155. Thanks for the likes and the thumbs up. I appreciate it. Again, I go live for you guys because what I could do is extend my live streams for my students. And I know the 140 students that are currently in my group would love that. So, and we could do, and this is kind of something I'm thinking about in the near future, that we could do our own thing, have kind of just talk about plays as they're coming up and as they're rolling through, as the market opens. So I know my students would love that. So if we don't get enough, support or questions or whatever on the live stream, then I'm just going to stop doing them and I'm going to just go focus on the students. You can use a copy trader with Apex. You don't copy my trades. You can copy your own trades. Like, say you have like 5 Apex accounts, you can use a copy trader to take your trades from one account to the other 4. But this is a fully automated algorithm. You don't need to copy anything. You just lease the algorithm from me and you put it on your own charts. So, and then it does the same exact stuff that it does on my chart. So you don't need a copier, you just need to lease the algorithm. If you want more information on the algorithm, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. The only trade we're currently in is this YM short, which is the Dow. David, what does that mean? I don't know what David M that is. I don't. There's so many David M's in this group. Oh, for the copier? Well, even, like, I think I hear a lot of good things about the one on Apex, too. I guess for the trade copier? I've never heard of it. Man who killed 4 during... Like, what's wrong with people? Oh, so they work with Apex. Okay, cool. I've never used it before, so I didn't know. I thought it was just the Apex copier. Liana, dude. Ugh. Josh, there's always space in the mentorship. The only thing that has a wait list right now is the one-on-one coaching. The one-on-one coaching is booked until May or June? May, I think. Let me see. Oh, no. It's booked until June. I already have. Currently booked until June. And in June, I'm probably only going to take 1 or 2 students. But no, the mentorship, whoever wants to join the mentorship can do that. So we're green $235 on this short. The one-on-one coaching is how often, how many hours? Yeah, so it's once a week for 1 hour for 5 weeks. So it's 5 individual 1-hour sessions. You also get everything that the mentorship gets. So you also get those 16 hours of videos via email that you get access to for life. I also record the one-on-one sessions. So I then send them to you after, and that's what I was saying. Somebody was asking me for our session from last week, but I told him I had already emailed it to him last week. So that was one of the conversations I was having. But yeah, so it's 5 one-on-one sessions for an hour each, and they typically occur once a week. The one-on-one coaching is $3,000, and again, that includes everything that's included in the mentorship. So you get the access to the student channel, you get access to the Chop Zone, the LIS, the morning student calls from 8:45 to 9:15, which might get extended soon if, these live streams are kind of not worth it. Because I like to give value where I feel like it's most appropriate, or because my time, and I just blocked someone that was like, oh my God, the attitude. But if you don't speak up for yourself, then no one else is going to speak up for you. And I know that as someone who already spreads herself very thin because I have a lot going on with these businesses, that I need to prioritize in certain areas more than others. So if the live streams, like these free live streams that I've been doing for the last 2 years for an hour every day, if they're not making sense anymore, then I'm going to stop doing them. And then I'm going to take that time and give it to another area of my business. So that would then probably be my students. Because there are 141 students that I currently have active in my group that really appreciate the time that I give them. And they are actively trying to get better. And we're talking about trades. Josh, I don't know, the live streams? It's been a half an hour, so an hour, and I don't mind doing the live streams for an hour a day. It's not hard, I don't mind coming on here and kind of having fun. Plus I want to show people how the algorithm works in real time versus just taking videos and putting them on my page. But if it's not being received well, or if I'm not getting enough people liking or thumbs up or asking questions, then kind of what's the point of it? If people are just sitting here just staring, then it's what? All right, YM took profit there, and now it's in a long. We're not in any other trades right now. It's Thursday. Yeah, sure thing. It is 10:03. Your live streams are very beneficial to others that want to learn. Can you install an MT5? No, you can't. It has to be a NinjaTrader. Those are the questions I like. I like answering people that are using MT4, MT5, and they have questions. Johnny, I am never trading micros. Never. Never, ever, ever do I trade micros. And it's always one. It's not plural. If you look at the screen, Johnny, it literally says one right here. One. That means I'm trading one contract. So, Johnny, you can also be posting in chat, just so you know. But YouTube is fine also. Either is fine. Alright, YM's in this long. It's the only trade right now. The market was so slow the past few days. My swing trade is playing out. Oh my gosh, you guys. We had a huge swing trade from the beginning of February, and now we're in another swing trade. The Algo is $500 for the first 3 weeks, and then $1,000 every month after that. So in the student channel, again, we also focus on higher time frames, and we are in a swing trade as of yesterday, and it's already green. Well, now it's probably green like 200 points. It's already green like 150 points on a swing trade. And on swing trades, I take small sizing. You can, Sleepy Bear. Some do. I think a lot of people in my group right now are running, I think it's just they find it, a little overwhelming and hard to manage. But right now in my group, the people that are using the algorithm exclusively are running a live cash account and then have 5 to 10 to 20 Apex accounts. And you can do that. And you can use the trade copier to then copy the trades to all of your other accounts, so you don't have to set up 20 accounts each day. But yes. Oh, that's so nice, Johnny. But yeah, that is pretty common. Like, I'll show you. Carlos does it. Several. Dante does it. Look at, this was yesterday. I showed this on the stream too. This was Dante yesterday. Like, look at all these Apex accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Apex accounts. Also, where's Carlos? Steven has a few Apexes. I think one of these is live and then the others are Apex. But most people at least have a few. This is Zach, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts. You can see how he used the copier because they're the same exact profit. Oh, those are different. Like Lee, look at all these accounts that Lee has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And he's using the copier on those as well. So yeah, a lot of people, Mike has a few Apex accounts. A lot of people have multiple Apex accounts. Here's Tom. Tom has multiple Apex accounts. So, what would you recommend as a good starting amount? Yeah, so if you're using cash, the minimum starting is $2,000. There's no maximum, obviously, but most people start with between like $3,000 to $5,000. If you want to trade minis, you need at least 7 to 10K. Brian has a few Apex accounts. He just posted this a minute ago. 2 minutes ago, he posted this. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Apex accounts. And he used the copier on that as well. He made $1,100 on each one. Literally, all you need to do is make $100. Exactly, David M. 10 Apex making just $200 a day is a huge win. Cray. So crazy, right? Because even if you're making, say you make $100 a day or $200 a day, $100 a day is $2,000 a month. And then if you have 10 accounts, that's $20,000 a month. And you can withdraw from each account. For the first 3 months, you can only withdraw twice a month. And the maximum is like $2,000 or $2,500 from each account. So if that's what they're saying, you could withdraw from each account $2,000 twice a month. And then after 3 months, you can withdraw as much as you want every time. Yes, it passes challenges. They're all passed. Like, it's super easy to just apply to Apex and then pass. I typically pass a 50K challenge in 2 to 3 days max. No, you can't withdraw whenever. So Apex has their own rules about withdrawing. You can withdraw 2 times a month for the first 3 months. You can have as many accounts as you want, Phil. Yes. They just all have to be under the same username, if that makes sense. So, Kaylee, the thing with Apex, this is their rules. I don't know. You can withdraw the 15th of the month and then the last of the month. So they will let me pass challenge and use challenge accounts. Yes, exactly. And then they allow you to withdraw twice a month for the first 3 months. And then after the third month, you can withdraw as much as you want. I don't know if it's still only twice a month, but I know like the value of what you can withdraw is however much you have, like the cash in your account. But I still need to put $2,000 in my account? No, you don't need to. You could just do Apex. And again, Apex is doing a 50% off, I mean, not 50%, an 80% off sale right now. If you go to Apex Trader Funding, APEX Trader Funding, this is what it looks like. This is their website. I don't have an affiliation with them, so I don't get anything out of this. But I know a lot of my members, then you're not risking any of your own cash. You don't pay them any money if you lose the money. Like, it's not like that. It's first, when you're in evaluation, it's a simulation account. So there's 12 more days of this sale. All you would need to do is get the Apex account and then sign up for the algorithm. And then you apply the algorithm to your charts and you choose to trade off of the Apex account. Now, if you choose to get the trade copier, that's up to you. That's like a one-time payment of $150 for life. You just pay it one time and then you can copy all of your trades. So you can't use it on your forex funded account unless it connects to NinjaTrader. If it connects to NinjaTrader, then it might be possible. Oh, you guys, we're in a $300 short here. Hold on. Santa Banana is in a $300 short. I didn't even know. Guaranteed green here. You see this break-even offset has moved into the green. So I use this to pass evaluation, but what I like to do is trail behind the price, really kind of, because you don't want to have a whole bunch of unrealized profit, because that's a problem. So I like to stay close to it, because this could go green 500 and then pull back and exit me at 200. You know what I mean? So then that's an extra $300 of unrealized profit. And they use it against you. So what's the site for Apex again? Yeah, it's Apex Trader Funding. Jen or Carter, can you type it in the chat? And then the code is SAVE80, SAVE 80. If you have questions, you can email me and I can give you this information too. But it's just apextraderfunding.com. But they're awesome. We haven't really had any problems with them at all. There's no issues with withdrawing or passing. Again, and then to get the discounted link for the algorithm, you would email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Oh, yeah, no. It's definitely hard. Is the copy trader it's with Apex. I can never remember if it's Mark or Mike. It's with Apex. It's $150 you pay one time. And then you can copy all of your trades from one account and it will copy them across all of your accounts. So again, like Brian just posted this. He has 5 Apex accounts, 3, 4, 5. And one of them he chooses as the main one. I don't know, say it's this one. And then he uses the copier for all of these and then it just copies exactly what he's doing on the one account to all of the other accounts. And you don't have to be trying to make $1,000 in a day. Even if you, like we said, if you just made $100 a day or $200 a day. No, Carter, it's not trailer. It's trader. I think you just mistyped that. Apex Trader Funding. Maybe delete that message. Santa's in a short. Apex Trader Funding. It says trailer. I know sometimes my phone will redo that. What do you mean, where am I from? I'm from the United States of America. This is not an indicator. This is a fully automated algorithm that I use every single day. Apex Trader Funding. Again, and the code is SAVE80. You have to put that in before you check out. There's like a coupon code area or else you won't get the discount. Like you could do a $50,000 account for $36. $36. Like that is so cheap. That's literally the cost of going to McDonald's. So I can use a platform to trade? Yes. Kaylee, the answer is yes. No, it's not $500. That's what I'm telling you. It's $36. This is why, you guys, you have to educate yourself. Go to Apex Trader Funding. It's 80% off. Normally, if you go up to sign up, look down here. I do $50,000 account, and I can pass this in 2 to 3 days. $50,000 account. It's normally $167. Take 80% off $167. It is $36. That's it. My algorithm, again, is $500 for the first 21 days, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. And to get the discounted link, you have to email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Santa and Slow are both in this. Again, if you want more info, just email me. It's easier that way. I respond right away. Even though I'm on the live stream, my admin will respond to you. Once you pass the account, all that will cost you is her $1,000 for the algo. Yes. Jeez, Tuesday. Tomorrow I strike. Sleepy bear. Yeah, Michael, that too, for sure. But most people don't know enough when they first start taking the mentorship to do that, if that makes sense. After 7 days, they'll send you a 10% off coupon. Oh, for the trade copier. David said, do the trade copier trial for 7 days to test it. Oh, Mike or Mark, did you hear that? I think it's Mike. We're in this short, hold on. We're in this short for, $500. You guys, see? This is all done for me. I'm not even paying attention over here. And it's still, yes, you can do Apex in any country, I believe. I would just go to the Apex website. If it lets you check out, then I would think so. They ask for your address, so. And you can definitely use NinjaTrader in Australia, because I've had people before. I don't think I have anybody right now from Australia, but I have people from UAE, the UK, Canada. Y'all, $700. This is one contract. Christopher said, please don't give up these live TikToks. You're the only person I trust on this place for this stuff. Yes, Kaylee, you just need to email me so I can send you the discounted link. If you go to my website, it's going to be the full price. It's leasing. Is Kenny's account up to $1 million yet? He actually has withdrawn. Every time now he gets up to 350, he withdraws. So he got up to 350,000 a few times. We're now agreeing $325 on this for the day. Again, pull out your calculators. I'm going with a $300,000 account using 3 units. Should be the same as the 50K. Yeah, but yeah, so I guess that would be fine. But what's the drawdown? I don't know. I feel like the 50K is the easiest. And I'm not really sure why. But it's like making $3,000 on one contract is very easy. And then the $2,500 drawdown seems to be pretty good too. But if you want, I have people in the group that have a 150K account or the $300,000 account. If that's what you would rather do, then yeah. You can use the bot in a demo account on NinjaTrader, but you still have to pay to lease the bot, if that makes sense. Can I use? No, I don't know. Kaylee, you have to see if they connect to NinjaTrader. The biggest part here is your funded program has to connect to NinjaTrader. If your funded program does not connect to NinjaTrader, then you cannot use it. I 100% know Lilu connects to NinjaTrader. Apex connects to NinjaTrader. One Profit, You Profit, they all connect to NinjaTrader. I don't know about the one that, no, there's no, yeah, you can connect your account for free, but you still have to pay for the access of the algorithm. Like, there's really nothing, like, I don't know. Connecting to NinjaTrader is just a mere connection. It's literally just putting in your username and password to NinjaTrader. Most funded companies give you market data for free for NinjaTrader, and they give you the license key for NinjaTrader for free. If your funded program doesn't do that, then you would have to pay for the license for NinjaTrader. But what I'm telling you is Apex does all of that. This is why we love Apex. Apex is 80% off through the month of March. You can literally get a funded account for $36, $50,000 account for $36, put it on the algorithm, and run it. They cover, that $36 covers your market data. It covers your license access for NinjaTrader. You need nothing else. All you need is the Apex account and the algorithm. I don't talk about my time frames in the free chat. It's all given to you when you join the group. When you join my group, you are given access to a private settings spreadsheet. It gives you the charts. It gives you all of the settings I use. Again, this is green, now like $500, and it started less than an hour ago. You can set that up in NinjaTrader, or you can set that up in Apex. You can have a max gain for the day or a max loss. That is correct. Yeah, even David said 50K is the best option. I agree. Hi, Troy. I already posted the official Apex site. I'm not sure, you guys. It's Apex Trader. Jen or Carter, can you rewrite it? It's apextraderfunding.com. I have no affiliation with them, but like everybody in my group uses them and they all love it. apextraderfunding.com. Can you make a video on how to sign up for Apex? No, I'm not going to do that. You guys, all you do is push sign up. Literally, that's all you do. You push sign up. You pick the account you want. I always do the 50K account. You put in your personal information, and that's it. That's it. And you put in the coupon code for Save Eddie 80. It's very, very easy. Okay, Kaylee, then email me and then click on the link that's in the email. Apex Trader Funding. Also, I go live, like I'm live on YouTube right now, and all of my YouTube streams are recorded, so you could always go back and rewatch this live stream later. If you're like driving or busy at work or something, you could always go back tonight and watch the YouTube live stream from today, March 9th, and say, oh, what did she say that website was? And it will be in the live stream. Currently, we are at 52 minutes and 33 seconds. Thanks for following. Again, I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. So unless you guys have more questions, I might wrap it up soon. If you guys want to see more and have more questions, I'm willing to stay on with you because that's what I'm here for. Justin made $250 on his Apex. Nice job, Justin. Larome made $570. So these are my members posting right now that I'm just giving emojis to. Justin ran Santa. Larome, I think, also ran Santa. We don't need extra words. Larome, if you want to add more words, just edit the other message. What hoops? So there's no hoops. All you have to do is not hit the trailing drawdown, and you just have to hit the... So with the $50,000 account, you have to make 3K. On my Algo, I make 3K in 2 to 3 days. Those are the only things they make you do. You can't hit the trailing drawdown, and you have to hit the profit target. And you have to be trading for 7 days. So like when I hit my target after 3 days, I just trade 1 micro for the other 4 days. Pandaman, yes, but I can't control the market. There's only so much you can do. But I also have everything broken down where you need to understand your risk. So you shouldn't be trading something that, say, with 2 minis would have a risk of $3,000, because then if it has a loss, it could blow your account. So you need to also do your own, and it's not homework. It's just like when you're in the group. Like this max loss on Santa is $200. That's very easy, and that's not going to affect Apex very much. Especially if you stay on top of it. I think this was green a little bit. You take this stop loss and you can move it up behind the trade. So then you don't have a whole bunch of unrealized profit that is adding onto your drawdown. They do not have to be 7 consecutive days. They just have to be 7 days total. And again, you could trade 1 micro for 6 of the days if you already made $3,000 in 1 day. Lieutenant Dan made $645 today. Nice job, Dan. I want to see Gary. Does that make sense, Kayla? And when you join the group, I have specific Apex, and I might make an Apex channel, I don't know. But I have specific Apex threads that answer all of these questions because, again, I have 244 members, and a lot of them use Apex. So we've been talking about this a lot since December. December is when most of us started adding Apex accounts to in addition to our regular live cash accounts. Because you're not risking any of your own cash, and you have the ability to, make 2 to 4K a month on one account. So if you want to join and use the algorithm, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. If you need the Apex website, you could also email me, get this information, and in that email ask what is the Apex website, and my admin will send it to you. But it's apextraderfunding.com. Yep, if you just email me, so do you have to make 3K within 7? No, you don't have to make 3K within 7 days, but that is the fastest time that you could do it. It could take you 2 months to make 3K, and that's fine. They charge you that $36 on a monthly basis. So if you make 3K within 1 month, you don't get charged that $36 again. Does that make sense? But if it takes you more than a month, then they'll charge you that $36 again for that monthly 50K account. I've been with her and watching her since before the algo even existed, and she's always consistent. Aw, thanks, Dirk. I don't even know who you are. Do you have a picture? Anything to be aware of if I'm looking to use the algorithm as a Canadian trader? Yeah, so you're not going to be able to have a cash account with NinjaTrader. Your options will either be Apex or Interactive Brokers if you want to do a cash account, or what's that other one? GFF Broker. So yeah, that's the only thing with Canadian people is you can't have a cash account with NinjaTrader. Every other country essentially in the world can, except for Canada. Let's say you make 20K in 2 months. How much can you take out of it? Sure, that's a good question. So again, for the first 3 months, you get to withdraw twice per month, and at a maximum, I think it's either $2,000 or $2,500. So say it's $2,000. So you could take out $4,000 per month for the first 2 months. So that would be $8,000 of that 20K. Then after the 3rd month, you can take out as much as you want all that time. Would access to the bot purchase be able to be used and connected to more than one funded account? Yes, you can. It can be used and attached to as many Apex funded accounts or Lilu accounts or cash accounts as you want, but they all have to be under the same username. Like, you can't be using an Apex account that you made and then an Apex account that your friend made, if that makes sense. When you sign up for Apex, you just have to have the accounts all within the same username, which is how they do it. So then you would have 5 of your own Apex accounts, and then you can trade the algorithm on all of them. Listening daily now so I can ask an intelligent question. Okay. Is there any Canadian funded accounts, or are we just... No, I just said this. Canadian folks can use Apex. You can use Apex as a Canadian person. Best uses Apex. He's in Canada. I have several people in Canada that use Apex. I was simply saying you cannot use a cash account with NinjaTrader. If you're in Canada, you can use Apex. Just go to apextraderfunding.com. Brett, let me know if that made sense. Okay, sounds good, Sleepy Bear. Again, we're still in this long. So if this was your Apex account, you could take this stop loss and move it up and drag it behind the current price. Obviously, you don't want to get too close, but you could do this and say, you know what, I want to guarantee myself profit. I'm going to move it back down because look at this. So now it moved itself up. This is a guaranteed green trade, but we are also unrealized $250 here, which is not a big difference from 75. You will be posting this video on your YouTube? Yes, every live stream I do is also live on YouTube. If you look over here, I'm live on YouTube right now. So this will be posted on my YouTube under the live section as soon as I get off of here. So say like 10:45, 11 o'clock, this will be on my YouTube channel under the live section. So guys, we are now green $600 here just on Santa with one contract. This is how I'm saying you can make $3,000 in 2 or 3 days. Say we get another trade and we're at like 800. So that's 1,600. You know, if you do that 2 days, 1,600, 24 by the 3rd day, like it's not. And this is just with one mini. I'm not taking 5 minis or 10 minis or whatever. Even SS Rome say even Devin Reese still 570 green. Yep, SS Rome in TikTok is one of my students. He's also using the algorithm. Proud of you, Rome. Jen is in the group. Pretty much a whole bunch of people in the live stream are part of my group. Please tap the screen, send some likes, give a thumbs up on YouTube. So what I could do here, again, I could take this stop loss and I could move it closer to the price. If I wanted to do that, I could do that and then lock in, you know, a bit more than that guaranteed 75. But you also want to give the trade some room. I'm from Tanzania. How do I start the trade? So just email me. NinjaTrader allows people from all countries except for Canada. boldbotllc@gmail.com. Kevin, you better be tapping the shit out of that finger. Tap, 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 tap. So we're still in this long of Santa. Look at that. It's still moving up. Now it's at 300. So now we're at like 700 on the day. If you closed it right here, we're at like 700 on the day. Tap, 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 tap. Show me those skills. Green 355. Do you see how I'm moving up my stop loss? Because this is a trailing stop loss, the green line. But if I am using Apex and I'm like, well, I want to secure in more profit. There we go. Look at this. $400, $500 long here. This is now going to put us at $800 on the day if I close out right here. Yes, Larome, Larome, I literally just saw your message and it's so true. So look, I can move this up a little more. I can move it up a little more. I just sent you an email. Perfect. My admin will respond to you right away. $500 on this long. This is one contract. If you had 3 contracts, that's $1,500 in one trade. Just one trade. Not the day, just a trade. And this is why we're patient and we hang out and we wait for these trades to happen. We don't have to force things. They will come to us. And the algo knows what it's doing. You can see we got this short before. This was a huge short here before for like $500. Now this is a $600 long. $600. Please tap that screen. Follow along if you aren't already following me. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. $700 on this long. I'm going to move my stop loss up again. Again, I don't have to do that. These are trail stops, these thin lines. But if I'm using Apex and I'm like, whoa, I want to make sure I'm locking in, you know, close to what the unrealized amount is, then I'm going to stay pretty close. But see how I didn't want to be too close down here when it was only $200? I would have missed out on $700. Like I'm only 5 points away from it now. So that would be only a difference of like $100 if it pulls back here. It would automatically take me out here anyway as it pulls down and that trailing stop turns red. So again, $700. This is going to be $1,000 on the day on this one strategy. And I don't just trade one strategy. I have several strategies and several algorithms. But this is just the one that we're focusing on right now, which is called Santa because we found it before Christmas. And it does really, really well. It prints a whole bunch of money. Zach, I think you asked this last time and I told you. All right, we're still moving up here. Green, $680. Again, I could. This is NinjaTrader. You have to use NinjaTrader. I'll put it down on the bottom. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. See at the bottom, NinjaTrader. That's what you have to use. Green, $720. Now I'm going to take this and move it up a little more because we made a new little high. Well, actually, we didn't get over this 37. Sure, Zach, you can always just email me if you want to see past performance information and I can send it to you. But yeah. All right, guys, this long is $735, $755. We're still going. We are still moving and grooving. I need to bring this chart down a little bit because folks on YouTube can't really see it. Squish it a little bit. 745. I'm going to move this up a little more. 775. $800 on this one trade, you guys. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Scalper is my favorite. It just doesn't work in all situations. When the market is like boring and sideways, it just isn't as great as it is during nice big trending markets like this. So this is easily going to lock up $1,000 on this strategy, and it could still trade for another hour if it wants. I could obviously turn it off if I'm trying to pass an Apex evaluation or I'm trying to build a buffer on my Apex account. Yes, this is an automated algorithm or a robot, whatever you want to call it. I leased it. It's $500 for the first 3 weeks and then $1,000 every month after that. If you want the discounted link or more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Also, you could go to my YouTube, boldbot, 2 words, and watch any of my past live streams. I go live every day for about an hour, typically 9:30 to 10:30. All right, so the order was filled. I am now green $990 on this strategy for today. I'm going to pull up the real-time data, and I'm going to show you. Here it is. $990. It took 10 trades today, so I have to pay fees and commissions on 10 trades, which is about $50. The biggest loss was $200. The biggest win, yes, it was one contract. That is one contract, Zach. It's always one contract. One mini. The biggest win was $665. The biggest drawdown at one point was $790, which is fine when my drawdown is $2,500 on Apex. So now I'm green $990 on the day. After fees, it's like $950, $940. And then I could lock it up for the day and say, okay, I'm going to wait till tomorrow. US 30 is what? YM, right? This is YM here. We took a short, and then this long was a loss. So YM today is green $10. This is the Dow. I never know. When Forex people say the ticker, I never actually know which one that is, but I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure US 30 is the Dow. So yes, that is this one. It's green $10 on the day, and it's only taken 2 trades. All right, well, that was a nice trade. I think I'm going to head out. Again, if you have more questions, just email me. I'm always around. I'm always willing to answer questions and chat. So, again, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Forex people. Yeah, I've never been a Forex person. I've always been a futures person. So, my favorite ticker is the NASDAQ, which is NQ on the futures market. All right. Have a good day. Gold is red today, a few $100s. Oil is green 500. The S&P 500 is green 250. And that's it. You can use prop firms on futures, and futures is much better because they don't take advantage of you on the spread. You pay 1 fee and commission per side, and that's it. You don't pay based off of the slippage that they're going to then, like, orchestrate for it to be better in their favor. That's why I don't like Forex. And again, Apex Trader Funding is doing an 80% sale. There's a whole bunch of prop firms for futures. There's Lilu, there's One Profit, there's U Profit. Apex Trader Funding is the main one that we use, and it's 80% off through the month of March. $36 for a $50,000 account. Apex Trader Funding. Yep, hit me up. I'll be around. Here it is. I don't have any affiliation with them, but all of my members use them. They also have a trade copier. So you can have up to 20 accounts. My members will get like 5 to 10 accounts and then use the trade copier from one account onto the others. So this is what it looks like. Apex Trader Funding. Yeah, they're really good. Like they're part like one of the best, I would say. It's $36 for a $50,000 account. This is the normal price. They're doing an 80% sale. You put in the coupon code SAVE80, and a $50,000 account is $36. Hey, Jeffo. All right, I'm going to get off of here. Again, email me if you have more questions. boldbotllc@gmail.com. Also, if anybody follows you or DMs you after this stream on TikTok, it's not me. People like to impersonate me and then try to manipulate folks that are like nice and follow me. So Dirk, he's still with me. Kenny, he made $15,000 this morning. I'll show you. He posted in the group already. Where? He said right here he made $7K overnight. Kenny Thompson, $7K overnight. He's still with me because he knows what's up. I'm the best. He runs a business too. I don't. What business? There's no Discord. Oh, I don't know who Chuck is. No, he never used to do 300K. The only person that used to do 300K is Kenny. No, this is NinjaTrader. It's literally right here, Tron. NinjaTrader. Again, Apex will give you the NinjaTrader license. Apex will give you the market data. Everything's included in that $36. Yes, everything's NinjaTrader. No, there's no Chuck. No, it's always been Kenny. Kenny has made like $300,000 in one day before. I taught Kenny how to trade. That's why he knows what he's doing. He made $7,000 overnight, and then I think he made another $5,000. Like, that's so small for him. He usually makes like $50,000 in a day. He didn't post on Monday. Or was he on Friday? This is Kenny posting his result the other day. I don't know. He was like playing some music and everybody commented on it. Why can't I zoom into it? Oh, here. $27,000. This was Monday? What day was this? March 7th, 2 days ago. $28,000. So yeah, that's Kenny. He always does that. It's very normal for him. Yes, there is no one. Yeah, you don't have a lot. You need to take. Exactly. Tron, you need to take my mentorship to be Kenny. So you can email me about that too, or just go to my website. I have not seen live trading with NinjaTrader. Well, Geoff, you're in luck. I do it every single day. I go live every single day from 9:30 to 10:30. This was Kenny yesterday with Powell speaking. He made $15,000, 4:46 p.m. yesterday. All right. I'm going to get off of here. No, there is no phone app, but you would get a VPS. The VPS you can access from your phone or any computer or iPad. Is the licensing? The email licensing. All right. I'm going to get off of here. I imagine we took several longs. Several longs for hundreds of points. All right, and we're in a swing for a long. Have a good day, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. All right, YouTube. Bye. Bye.